看着时间到了，车站人很多。Off work time has come, the station is very crowded。突然在人群里面看见了你。Suddenly inside the crowd, I saw you。你穿着白色衬衫，笑得很甜。You're wearing a white shirt, smiling very sweetly。我们坐同一班车，站在同一边。We take the same train, standing on the same side。你正在听着音乐，看着窗外。You're listening to music, looking outside the window。我假装看着前面，其实在看你。I pretend to look ahead, but actually I'm looking at you。今天能遇到你真的太好了。Meeting you today, it is really so great。我的心跳好快，不知道怎么办。My heartbeat is so fast, I don't know what to do。明天这个时候还能遇到你吗？ At this time tomorrow, can I meet you again？ 车窗的玻璃上面有你的影子。On the glass of the train window, there is your shadow。 你笑起来的样子真的很好看。The way you smile, it really looks so good。 好想走过去跟你说一声 Hi。 Really wanna walk over and say hi to you。 下一站你下车了，门慢慢关上。At the next station you got off, the door slowly closed。 看着你走远了，车站变安静了。 Watching you walk away, the station became quiet。 我的手心里面出了一点汗。 Inside the palm of my hand, it sweated a little。 今天能遇到你真的太好了。 Meeting you today, it is really so great。 我的心跳好快，不知道怎么办。 My heartbeat is so fast, I don't know what to do。 明天这个时候还能遇到你吗？ At this time tomorrow, can I meet you again？ 这是一场只有我知道的巧遇。 This is a coincidence only known by me。 要勇敢一点，还是继续秘密喜欢你？ Should I be a little brave or keep liking you secretly？ 希望明天的雨不要下得太大。 Hope tomorrow's rain won't fall too hard。 你今天真的很好看， You really